Do you want to learn programming and have no idea where to start? Or you already started and are looking for the next step in your journey? Well, I'm here to help you all with that. Keep in mind, I'm only like 15 years old, so most of the stuff I say isn't going to directly help you in getting a job at Facebook or Apple, but it's something that worked for me when I was learning to code. Let's get started. When I first learned to code, the most important thing I thought was the programming language I chose. I spent countless on countless hours trying to find the perfect programming language to learn. But it's not as important as some people think it is. I think in this field, the base knowledge and logic could take you much farther than a programming language ever could. Coming to my first point, just go for it. Just pick a language and go. Some options include Python, JavaScript, Java, anything. Just go for it. Try them out, find what you like, build on it. The more time you spend not learning something, you're wasting, and that wasted time adds up over time. After you have your language and logic learning set, the next thing you should think about is what you'd like to do with the language, your career, or what you just like to use the language for. Even though you shouldn't worry about them very much at the start, they are an important aspect of programming, and some languages do a better job at something than others. For example, Python is much better at data science rather than something like JavaScript, and JavaScript and TypeScript are much better for front-end websites than like something like Java. Learn, apply, learn. It's a rule I love to follow when I learn a new thing. You learn something new, such as a programming language, and apply it in projects. Any project, anything from a simple game to a full-blown app. Doing projects helps you learn more than practice ever could. Make sure to apply your knowledge. And lastly, be consistent. Do not start off with doing programming for like 14 hours a day and not touching it for the rest of the week. Allocate time that you can for each day for programming. Even 30 minutes a day dedicated can go a long way if you remain consistent over the years. Lastly, just enjoy the process.